Good morning. My name is Steve Minnick. I'm 71 years old. I'm retired recently. I have 30 years in the airline industry. The airline life will wear you down, particularly in the dispatch arena, because you're sitting at high stress. If you come in to work late, you're expected to bring donuts. To put it probably bluntly, my family heart history is roadkill. My father passed at age 57 from a heart attack. My brother passed away in 2010 from what they call the widowmaker, the LAD. That put the fear of God in me. Starting in 2019, my local cardiologist said, okay, you're starting to show signs of mitral valve prolapse, and it was mild. So he said, we're going to keep checking you every 6 months. And I started volunteering at Project Cure, which is a medical relief organization, everything from gloves to operating tables, which weighed quite a bit. And that's when I also noticed, I got to slow down for a second. I was due for a checkup in August of 2023, moderate to severe all of a sudden. And so I had a come to God meeting with him. He said, you can keep going this way. He said, but the longer you wait, your rest of your body's putting in time and the recovery's going to get tougher every year. So I started Googling. There's a lot of information out there, but the one that caught my attention was Dr. Hodges. He does a lot of surgeries. I set up an interview, and Dr. Hodges said, well, I'm going to give you a whole battery of tests. All the stars aligned. Came in January 13th. For the operation. And we got in there, and there's the GO team there. It really is like on an aircraft carrier where everyone's got their roll and they're buzzing around and ready to go and hyped up. 6 hours later, and I'm in ICU. I'm going to get choked up, but the frontline nursing staff are just rock stars. I had virtually no pain at all. Period. The first day, pulling out the breathing tube, and you're a little uncomfortable, but nothing in my chest. And I was ready after a week. The home health care, they'll contact you almost as soon as you check out, is the house for safe for a post, because you're going to be unsteady, but my wife made sure I followed the rules. They set me up for cardiac rehab at my local hospital. It's been really good for me. Just getting back in shape. I'm going to be in better shape than I ever was. I don't know. I can't say enough. The experience level at this place is such that they've seen it all. I honestly feel better now than I did 10 years ago. And when my wife and I go birding on uneven terrain now, I'm rocking it. So I can't wait to get back to the warehouse.